Okay, today we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on a VW Golf 2012 model. The cabin filter on these is located underneath the glove box over here. There's a cover, so you don't have to remove the glove box on these, it's just underneath the cover here. This is the place where the cabin filter is, under here. So all you do on the VWs is just slide these two clips in towards the center and then just pull the cover down like so, and it just slots into a groove here on the front edge of the filter box, just behind the glove box. That one, that edge there just slots upwards. A little bit hard to film, but that's where it is. And then slide your old cabin air filter straight down. This is one of our originals that's been in for about a year now. So the cabin air filter fits in this slot here. So just slide your cabin air filter with the red acrylic base facing the driver's side and the A facing upwards. So just slide it in the slot until it goes all the way in. So the cabin filter fits in here. Then just reinstall your cover. And here you can see the locking retainers. They just slide out either end to lock your cover on, and that's the job done.